picked some cabbage for dinner today. She's also asked for some carrots and potatoes. So let's see what the carrots are like. I'm not 100% sure. I've had a few of these already. They're small, I know, but yeah, they're perfect for me. This is hard to do with. Not sure how many. It's only two of us are going to eat them. Oh, that's tiny. But she likes some small. See you, mate. I'm not sure how much of this you're getting. Yeah, not a bad little bunch. Just get a couple more. Give them a wash. There you go. That'll do nicely for us. Now the potatoes are going over. It's only 11 weeks, but you remember I started them in the polytunnel, so they had a really good start and they were up and going. So I'm going to choose the worst one. I think probably this one, and we'll see what we get. But first, let me just give these a yeah, now for the potatoes. Metal's in here, so put my gloves on. Get rid of them first. These ain't going to do anything else, that's for sure. Right, let's get this straight in the compost with this. And let's dig in. A lot of tiny ones, which is unfortunate. Right, there's the seed. Just hope there's enough for two of it. See? Right, it's enough for two of us, that's for sure. So. Right, I've reached my manure layer, so I doubt if it's going to get any more than this. So I'll leave this in the bottom for now. Just give this a quick look, just to missed any. I have. I don't know, 30-litre pot. Is that half decent or what? After only 11 weeks? It's good enough for us. Okay, I'll give these a quick. How about that? Nice for today's dinner. And the compost will go straight back in the bin until I'm ready to do something with it. That'll be it for today, I think. I've got cabbage, carrots and potatoes.